You're kidding, right? There must be evidence, motives. You know, I can help if you want.
He's really good. He figured out who was eating our tin cans.
All signs pointed to the goat.
Yeah, let the boy help. He's got a little brain up in his head.
Ooh, would you look at what we got here? City boy thinks he's gonna solve a mystery with his fancy computer phone.
City boy! City boy!
You are adorable.
Adorable?
He's adorable.
Attention all units. Steve is going to fit an entire cantaloupe in his mouth. Repeat, an entire cantaloupe.
It's a 2316!
Let's move.
That's it. Mabel, you and me are going to find the jerk who did this and get back that head. And we'll see who's adorable.
Aw, you sneeze like a kitten.